Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. I, Noafika Fitra, would like to present our energy audit case study at Masjid Imam Muslim, Kampung Belimbing, Durian Tunggal. So first, this assignment is fulfilled by 7 members of this group, which is first Muhammad Hazwan, Muhammad Iskandar Zulkarnain, Muhammad Shakir, Nisa Fariha, Nurul Alia and also Dean Cruz. Okay, next we move to the executive summary for this project. Purposely, this project is to measure the energy audit and apply the energy conservation measure through implementation at Masjid Imam Muslim, Kampung Belimbing dalam Durian Tunggal. So, what is the benefit of energy conservation measure? First, it can lower the greenhouse gas emission into the atmosphere. Okay, then it can transfer the energy into the something that we can keep, and also we can utilize the energy for the future.
Okay, hello everyone. Okay, my name is Dan Cruz Edwin Dokius. My metric number is B012110076. Okay, today I'm going to present about my part, which is the introduction. So the introduction is divided into 3 parts, which is the objective, scope, and then the last one is the information of the house of worship buildings. So okay, moving on to the objective. So our group have 5 objectives, which is the first one is actually to examine the selected commercial building and conduct an energy audit and management. And then the second objective is to analyze how the commercial building energy management strategies are implemented. And then the third one is to design and implement energy saving measures in commercial buildings, specifically in house of worship. So the fourth one is to reduce energy consumption and promote sustainable energy practice. And then the last one is actually to promote energy efficiency. Moving on to the scope. So as for the scope, our group actually have 5 scope, which is the first one is actually to evaluate the chosen commercial building energy used to identify areas for improvement and efficiency by observing energy waste and then studying the building maintenance status and then analyze the overall building characteristic and description. Okay, the second objective is to design and implement energy saving measurement, including zero cost measurement, medium cost measures, and then to reduce energy consumption and promote sustainable energy practice to the house of worship. And then the third one is to conduct electrical profiling of the building using the MyDNB website lah. And then the fourth one is to implement a sustainable energy management system, which is to monitor and control energy usage and then confirm the effectiveness and efficiency of the implemented energy saving measurement. So the fifth one is actually to aim to achieve a minimum 10% energy saving with a return on investment of less than 5 years. So that is for the objective and scope. Okay, moving on to the house of worship information, which is a mosque. So our group, we choose Masjid Imam Muslim as our house of worship buildings. And then the information of this house of worship, which is the mosque, is the chairman in this mosque is Tuan Haji Nasir bin Maswar. And then the mosque name, as I said before, which is the Imam Muslim Mosque. And then the address for this mosque is actually at Kampung Belimbing dalam Durian Tunggal. So the operating days is actually they open every day, Monday until Sunday. And then as for the operating hours, so it's usually follow the Muslim prayer, which is 5 times a day, which is at Fajar, which is dawn, and then Duhur at afternoon, and I don't know the Asar at late afternoon, and Maghrib after sunset. And then the last prayer is at Isha, which is nighttime lah. So as for the person in charge in this masjid, there are 12 people that in charge in this masjid, which is mosque. And then to contact this Mosque is actually, you can contact them with 013 6226 934, which is, this is the phone number for the chairman, which is Tuan Haji Nasir bin Mansor. And then as for the type of shop lot, which is, this is a one-story building, and then type of tarif is tarif B, and the area of this mosque is 323.27 meters square.
So in this methodology part, I will explain the process to complete this energy audit project. So to complete the energy audit project, we have been through to 3 phases, that is pre-audit phases, audit phases and post-audit phases. So in pre-audit phases, the first thing we do is we meet with the building management. So in this case, we meet with the management of Masjid Imam Muslim Kampung Belimbing dalam Durian Tunggal. So in the meeting, we will ask the permission for us to do the energy audit at their building. Second, we will explain to them the objective of our project. Thirdly, we also confirm with them the date and the time for us to do the energy audit. In pre-audit phases, we also collect the roughly data and also the few months of their electricity building to make sure that their building is suitable for us to do the energy audit. Next, we move to audit phases. So in audit phases, we will went to the building site. So in this phase, me and my team will do the interior and exterior inspection of the building to identify if there is insufficient of energy consumption and the condition of their electrical appliances at the building. Next, we also do the complete measurement in audit phases. So we collect the data. So the data we collect is the unit of electrical appliances, the horsepower and the power of electrical appliances, and also the luminous flux emitted by the light source at the building. Lastly, we move to the post-audit phases. So in post-audit phases, we will do data analysis. So in data analysis, we will analyze the pattern of energy consumption by the building based on the appliances at the building. We also will identify the peak time of the energy consumption and identify if there are any energy wasted or insufficient. Then in post-audit phases, we also be done the report writing. So in report writing, we will include the finding in the audit process and the energy saving recommendation, also the cost benefit analysis and the improve of energy consumption and calculating the potential saving. So lastly, I will summarize this flow of the project by explain the flowchart project. So this project will start by the group meeting and survey for energy audit site. So when we get the site, we will confirm the site. After that, we do the first meeting, that is in pre-audit phases, and then we also move to the data collection. If the data is complete, we can do the data analysis and then video presentation as now, and then report writing and submission. So after the submission, this project will be done. So that's all for the methodology part.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Shakir. Now I will be presenting about result of electrical profiling for our project at Masjid Imam Muslim Belimbing Dalam. The graph histogram show the energy consumption and total cost in a 6-month electricity bill from October 2023 to May 2024. We can see in April the energy consumption is higher than other months. The increase in energy consumption during April can be attributed to Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting. Since Muslims abstain from food and drink from dawn to dusk, they often rely more heavily on electricity at night for activity like for activities like prayer taraweh and meal preparation for iftar and more. And also, we can see in April the total cost in is higher than other months. Next, I will be presenting result in April's energy data of power consumption. In our survey, we separate 5 areas to audit the energy consumption. Firstly, at main prayer hall, it is the main location of our audit. The total power renting in this area is 5,996 watt, which is at area have equipment, aircon, ceiling fan, wall fan, table fan, changing light, exhaust fan, downlight, smart TV, and sound system. Besides that, the power renting at area veranda is 1,225. This area has wall fan, panel floor, LED panel floor, water filter, refrigerator, digital clock, and speaker. Next, at the dining area and parking, the total power renting is 968 and 67, which has have ceiling fan and LED panel floor. Lastly, the total power renting at toilet, male and female, is 36 watt, which is have downlight, LED downlight.
Next, I will be presenting the result of the luminance survey conducted in various areas of our mosque. The purpose of this survey was to assess the lighting levels in different areas and categorize them into 3 categories, which are within range, overlit, and underlit. Before we go through to the result, let me briefly explain the categories. First, within range. This indicates that the lighting level is optimal, providing sufficient illumination for activities without causing discomfort. Second, overlit. This means the area is too brightly lit, which can cause glare and visual discomfort. And third, underlit. This category indicates insufficient lighting, which can hinder visibility and safety. We survey 6 key areas within the mosque, which are the main prayer hall, veranda, dining area, male female toilet, and parking. And our survey found that most area of the mosque have adequate lighting levels, falling within the optimal range. However, the main prayer hall is an exception and is underlit. Addressing the lighting issue in the main prayer hall will be essential to improve the overall experience for our worshippers. We recommend taking steps to enhance the lighting in the main prayer hall while maintaining the current lighting levels in other areas to ensure safety and comfort. Now, I will talk about the energy use in our mosque. We have 4 main systems, which are cooling system, refrigeration system, lighting, and plug load. I will explain how much energy each system uses per month. So first, cooling system. Energy consumption 1,501.56 kilowatt-hour per month. Second, refrigeration system, which are 230.4 kilowatt-hour per month. Third, lighting system. Energy consumption 99.36 kilowatt-hour per month. And fourth, plug load system. Energy consumption 458.48 kilowatt-hour per month. In conclusion, our cooling system is the biggest energy user in the mosque, followed by the plug load system, refrigeration, and then lighting. Understanding this help us manage and possibly reduce our energy use in the future.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Iskandar, and here I'm going to I'm going to explain about the design of energy saving measure ESM for the mosque we have audited. So we divided by three sections here, which is low cost, medium cost, and high cost. So for the low cost here, first one we just to unplug or switch off power when not in use. So when there's no one in the mosque, you just can have just the switch off the power, and when there's a time for the prayer like subuh, zohor, and etc., we just have to switch on back the power. So the second one is shut down and close the curtain. So here when we shut doors and close the curtains here, it's just going to make inside the mosque more breeze and cool for the person to prayer. So third one is scheduling for power. So here we just have to schedule the power when it is the right time to switch off the power and when the right time it is for to switch on the power. So the last one here for the low cost is reducing the usage hour of lighting in the main lounge. So currently the mosque even using the lighting in the main lounge during the day. So during the day we discuss for not use during the day because there's still a daylight come inside the mosque, so that's not really used for the lighting in the day. So second one here is the medium cost. So yeah, it's better to replacement of the 36 watt fluorescent lamp to light emitter diode LEDs, because when we using the fluorescent lamp currently in the mosque, it's take 0.612 kilowatt, and when using the LED here for the 10 watt, it's just going to take roughly 0.17 watt. So the energy consumption per year using the fluorescent lamp here is going to take 1116 kilowatt per hour, while the energy consumption per year using the LED which is just going to take 310 kilowatt per year. So the cost for the fluorescent light here is going to cost 407.67 cents ringgit, and when using the LED light here, it's just going to cost you 113 ringgit. So the energy cost saving per year when we change the fluorescent lamp to LED light here is just going to take 294 ringgit and 43 cents. So that's it for the medium cost. And last one is for the high cost, is to modifying the ventilation system inside the mosque. So here the currently ventilation system in the mosque using the Exxon air conditioning, which takes 2,654 watt, which is going to take during the 21.232 kilowatt for a day, while we currently recommend to change to the media air conditioning, which just going to take 746 watt, and it's just going to take 5.968 kilowatt a day. So the energy consumption per year using the Exxon air conditioning is going to take 61,997 kilowatt per year, while using the media air conditioner it's just going to take 17,426.56 kilowatt per year. So the cost for the currently used, which is Exxon air conditioning, is going to take 2,206.29 ringgit, while the cost for the media air conditioning is just going to take 6,360 ringgit per year. So the energy cost is going to take energy cost saving per year when we change the air conditioning is just going to take 1,668 ringgit 38 cents. So that's all for the design of energy saving measures.
Next, I will discuss suggestions for sustainable energy management system for Masjid Imam Muslim. The first is optimizing building's design and features. We can install occupancy sensors for automatic light control. This means the light will only turn on when someone is in the room. It can save energy when spaces are unoccupied. Next, moving on to smart technologies and automation. Consider replacing outdated appliances with Energy Star certified model in main hall, prayer and veranda. These newer models are designed to be more efficient, saving your money on energy bills. Next, beyond technologies, fostering a culture of sustainability is key. We can organize events to promote energy savings habits and even track out consumption together. Last but not least, looking towards the future, integrating renewable energy sources like installing solar panels on the mosque roof can have a lasting positive impact.
Okay, finally, what can we conclude after finish the whole case study executed at Masjid Imam Muslim, Kampung Belimbing Dalam, Duran Tunggal? So, firstly, Masjid Imam Muslim need to reduce the consumption to achieve the energy conservation measure per monthly. Then, need to upgrade the cooling and the plug system, which is having the highest consumption per monthly. Okay, then the expected paying back the period, which is in 5 years, and also need to promote more environmental care. So that's all for us. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.